Hey, welcome back again to this channel. I so much like this particular Gate.io and this particular cryptocurrency exchanger right here because there are a lot of cryptocurrency arbitrage opportunity available on Gate.io right here and this particular cryptocurrency exchanger. So if you are new to this, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button because I'm here to drop video concerning cryptocurrency arbitrage where you can buy on a specific cryptocurrency at a low price, then sell on another cryptocurrency on a higher price. So you just have to subscribe to the YouTube channel to keep tuned anytime I drop new video. You'll be the first way to be notified so that you can try it out and make some money for yourself. Now, pay close attention to this my tutorial right here. Take a look at it. I've literally earned some amount of figures right here on my trust wallet. Take a look at it, remove refresh, so that you guys can literally know that everything right here is real. All these particular figures or money right here are in them to use this particular method by arbitrage. So simple arbitrage method by buy low on one cryptocurrency exchanger, selling high. So how can you be getting this particular crypto that you're going to be buying low and selling high? So that's why this particular channel comes in. So you have to subscribe to keep tuned so that you can be getting update from us or from me particularly right here on this channel about the particular cryptocurrency to buy low and sell high. So in this particular tutorial, we're buying this particular crypto called wallet. So we're buying it at this particular amount right here. Let me say 100 USDT right now. Okay, but before I can continue, listen carefully. This actually a disclaimer that yes, all the particular tutorial I'm doing right here on this my channel is just for educational purpose, not a financial advice. I'm not responsible for your losses right here or your gains. So I'm not advising you to literally go ahead and process all these right here. So process everything with sense. Okay, so because cryptocurrency is volatile, it's up and down. Maybe the time you found this video or the time you actually want to try this out, all this particular price are now different. Okay, so do this at your own risk. Yes, so now let's just begin. So just keep tuned and watch this video to the end so that you can get point out of this. So after you literally buy this particular token called wallet right here on your Gate.io, which is this particular cryptocurrency exchanger. So before you actually go ahead and do all this, go ahead and sign up an account on Gate.io and verify your account right here. Okay, so the link will be on the video description. Yes, that it is. After you purchase the particular cryptocurrency right here, click on this particular accept right here. Go ahead and click on withdraw right now. Go ahead and hit on change withdraw right here. Go ahead and search for the particular cryptocurrency, which is wallet. Okay, take a look at it. The best thing about the particular cryptocurrency arbitrage opportunity that I'm sharing right here in this channel is that you will not see any particular cryptocurrency that is suspended or the withdrawal is suspended or probably the deposit is suspended or unavailable. No, I'm sharing everything actively, legitly, straightforward, and everything is working really good and fine. Okay, so if you have any challenges, let me know in the comment section. Yes, nothing is perfect. Now, just go ahead and check out the particular network right here, which is Ethereum network. Then go straight to this particular cryptocurrency exchanger where you'll be selling it high. Okay, this particular cryptocurrency exchanger, I love it, very, very good because there are a lot of arbitrage opportunity available right here. So now just go straight to accept. If you're on this place, go ahead and click on deposit right here, click on deposit on chain, then go ahead and search for the particular cryptocurrency right here, which is wallet right now. Take a look at it. It is also still active. Yes, so click on the same cryptocurrency network, make sure it is on the same Ethereum network right here. Copy the particular Ethereum network right now. Go ahead and then go ahead and provide the particular amount that you purchased on this particular spot trading using USDT. So this particular amount is the amount that we use for the simulation right here. We are just doing simulation right here in this particular tutorial. You can actually go ahead and do the same simulation and then go live with this if you are capable. Now just go straight to the other cryptocurrency exchanger and then wait for the money right there. After I literally withdraw the money from Gate.io right here, wait for the money right here. So just go straight to trade right here after you receive the money right here on this particular crypto exchanger. Go ahead and sell it out. Okay, so sell it out right here. Take a look at it. You'll be getting this some amount of money right here. You purchase this particular token at this particular price right here. Let me show you right now on this Gate.io. Take a look at the particular amount that you use to purchase it right here. So on this particular cryptocurrency, you are selling it at this. So you'll be getting, oh my god, more than enough profit. Take a look at it now. You are getting 504 USDT. How much profit? Almost 404 USDT profit. You are just using 100 USDT for this trade, then it will multiply times 4. So that's insane. Okay, let's say you just want to make the transaction very fast and you still be using this particular price right here. You will still make times 3 profit. Yes. Okay, let's say you do this 3 to 4 times a day. You'll be getting enough profit from all this. Let's say you're making none less than 450 USDT just for 1 rand. Then you do it like 10 times a day. You're getting this particular amount. Then you do it like 30 days. You'll be getting this particular amount. I can't just mention it, you can see it with your eyes. So now, if you actually like this particular tutorial, make sure you smash that subscribe button, like this video, make sure you like it, share the video to your loved ones so that it can pop up around YouTube. Okay, so now if you're wondering how I'm supporting this particular cryptocurrency arbitrage, just go straight to this video description. You'll find a link to this specific cryptocurrency arbitrage scanner. We call it arbitrage scanner. Yes, just go ahead and visit it. Take a look at it right here, arbitrage scanner. Yes, I've dropped the link on the video description. Don't worry.